Welcome back. In this video, we're making meatloaf sandwiches. For the horseradish cream, 2 cups of sour cream, 1/3 cup of prepared horseradish, 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sprinkle in some chives. Season with salt and pepper. Whisk until combined. Cover and place into the refrigerator to keep cold. For the fried onion straws, 2 cups of buttermilk and 2 cups of onion powder. Season with salt and pepper. Mix until just combined. Then add 1 thinly cut white onion and toss to coat. Dredge the onions in flour, then back into the wet. Repeat the process for a double coating. Into a deep fryer they go at 350 degrees for 2 to 4 minutes, or until nicely golden brown and crispy. Season with salt while they're still hot. For the glaze, a 1/2 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons of balsamic, and 1/3 cup of light brown sugar. Whisk until combined. For the meatloaf, 2 cups ground beef, 1 cup ground pork, 3 large eggs, a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, a 1/2 cup ketchup, 1½ cups breadcrumbs, and 2 tablespoons of parsley. Grab 6 slices of white bread, remove the crust, and run each one under hot running water, squeezing out any of the remaining water. Break them up into small pieces and add it to the mixture. Season with salt and pepper. Mix until thoroughly combined. Form it into a log. Place your meatloaf into a greased baking dish. Brush all over with the glaze. Bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour and 30 minutes to 1 hour and 45 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees on an instant read thermometer. To assemble, a few slices of Muenster cheese, under the broiler they go, or until the cheese is melted. Onto toasted white bread goes a handful of arugula, then your meatloaf. Pile on your fried onion straws. Top it off with the horseradish cream. Crown your sandwich. And once again, arugula, meatloaf, fried onion straws, and the horseradish cream. On goes the top half. And there we have it, meatloaf sandwiches. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.